MCQ 13 is with respect to the leaf losing water, and we can have this mainly via the process of transpiration. So if I'm going to, again, to be attempting a question that's being labeled, we should actually give each of the label a name. A, you can see that it has a thickened cell wall. This will be the xylem. B, the spongy mesophyll. C as well is considered to be the spongy mesophyll. And lastly, for D, we have that as the gut cell that actually manipulates the opening of the stomata. Now, the general flow of water vapor should be coming out of the stomata into the atmosphere. So, from B to C, water is moving from high to low. So this suggests that B has a high water potential as compared to C, and C has a high water potential as compared to the external environment. Now this is a general flow of your water for the transpiration pathway. But remember, transpiration itself actually helps the plant to draw waters from the root up the stem, because it gives rise to this process known as transpiration pull, which is a suction force. So to replenish the water that was lost in the spongy mesophyll, the spongy mesophyll will then draw water from the xylem itself. So in this case here, the xylem is deemed to have the highest water potential because it replenishes the water potential of the spongy mesophyll. Now, if this is to persist, xylem will eventually have a much lower water potential that allows it to receive water from the root via osmosis. Again, this is very much aligned towards the generation of a suction force known as transpiration pull. So the answer for 13 is A.